Welcome ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to be back and I come to you with the Cognac Summit. Cognac is world's most famous brandy, and when Cognac is mentioned about, people speak about it as an after dinner drink, people speak about it as a drink when somebody is sick, people speak about steamed glasses and hot water, but no, Cognac is a drink of all seasons and all times of the day. I like my Cognac as an after dinner drink in a nice Cognac glass, neat, but on a sunny afternoon, the Cognac Summit, a cocktail that I'm going to be demonstrating today, is perfect. Let's begin. So we start with an old-fashioned glass or a little tumbler, and then put in 4 small slices of ginger, fresh ginger, and then muddle it to release the juices. Don't press it hard, just a gentle one is good enough. And then I take 2 lime rinds and then give it a gentle squeeze and drop them in. The idea is we want the lime oils, which makes it refreshing. So ginger and lime peels. Then we add an ice. ,40 ml of Cognac VS and around 60 ml of lemonade, but we don't find lemonade so easily, so I am putting in around 30 ml of soda and another 30 ml of Sprite. What I do now is give it a gentle stir and I finally garnish it with a cucumber peel. So the idea, and that's our garnish too, so the idea of the cucumber peel is as you continue to enjoy the drink, the cucumber releases its freshness, and that is our Cognac Summit ready. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you found this recipe very easy. So I use soda because I didn't want a lot of Sprite, which is very sweet, so just to adjust the sugar levels, but you may choose to put in completely Sprite or just soda or a little bit of ginger ale. You can play with the recipes. It's a very easy one and it is guaranteed that your afternoons will be very refreshing with this Cognac Summit. Enjoy. Cheers.